Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Uday #technical. Today we will discuss C language important questions and answers. Let's get started. What is variable in C? Variable is a data name that may be used to store a data value. Example, int number equal to 10 or float average equal to 50.87. Write two rules for defining variable. Variable name can start with the alphabet underscore only. It cannot start with a digit. Second, no white space is allowed within variable name. What is the local variable in C? That variable is declared inside the function or block is called local variable. Example, int main bracket open bracket close, next second bracket open, int a equal to 10, printf %d ampersand a bracket close. Next, what is global variable in C? The variable is declared outside the function or block is called a global variable. Hash include stdio.h, int a equal to 3, int main bracket printf %d comma a. This is the example of global variable. What is the difference between local and global variable in C? A variable, local variable, a variable which is declared inside function or block is known as a local variable. Global variable, a variable which is declared outside a function or block is known as a global variable. Local variable, the scope of a variable is available within a function in which they are declared. Global variable, the scope of a variable is available throughout the program. So this is the difference between local variable and global variable. Automatic variables are similar as which variable? Automatic variables are similar as local variable. External variables are similar as which variable? External variables are similar as global variable. Where an automatic variable is stored, every local variable by default being an auto variable is stored in stack memory. Stored in stack memory. What are the advantages of using register variables? The register variable is stored in the CPU register instead of main memory. Frequently used variables are declared as register variables as its access time. Can variable name start with numbers? No, variable name start with digits or alphabet. This is cannot start with a digit. This is start with alphabet and underscore only. This is the rules of defining variable. Variable name can start with the alphabet underscore only, it cannot start with a digit. So can variable name start with numbers? No. What is the difference between auto variable and register variable in C? Auto variable will be accessed very slower, where register variable will be accessed very faster. And auto variables are stored in main CPU memory, where register variables are stored in register memory. What is the difference between static variables and register variables? Static variables and register variables. Static variables are declared with static keyword, where register variables are declared with register keyword. Static variable may be internal or external depending on the place of declaration, where register variables are declared inside the function. This is the difference between static variables and register variables in C. What is the difference between constants, variables and keyword? Constants is a fixed quantity which cannot change during execution. Variable holds constant values, we can change its values during execution, and keyword are known as a reserved word. This is the example, this is the difference between constant, variables and keywords. Next, Why we use main function in every C program? Main is a pre-declared and user-defined function. Main function is used in every C program because the execution of the programs begins with main. What is header file of C language? A header file is a file with extension .h which contains C function declaration and macro definition to be shared between several source files. Header files contain definition of data types, function prototypes and preprocessor commands. What is library function? Library functions in C language are inbuilt functions which are grouped together and placed in common place called library. To use this function, we need to include the header file in our program. For example, if we want to use printf and scanf function, then we use the header file stdio.h. Why we use clear screen function? Clear screen means CLR-SCR function. CLR-SCR function is predefined function and it is declared in conio.h. It is used in Windows compilers to clear console. What is difference between stdio.h and conio.h header files? stdio.h contains declaration of printf and scanf functions and conio.h contains declaration of CLR-SCR function and getCH function. What is printf function? Printf function is a predefined function. It is declared in stdio.h. The printf function is used to display information required by the user and also prints the values of the variables. What is scanf function? Scanf is a predefined function. It is declared in stdio.h. The scanf function is used to read formatted data from the keyboard. Why ampersand is used in scanf in C? Ampersand operator is used to access to the address in memory location. Scanf %d ampersand number means that value entered from the keyboard must be stored in memory location which is given the name number. Can we read more than one values through a single scanf function? Yes, we read more than one value through a single scanf function. What is data type? Data types are defined as the data storage format that a variable can store a data to perform a specific operation. Data types are used to define a variable before to used in a program. Example: int, float, char, array, pointer, enum, void is data type. What are the data types in C language? There are 4 data types in C: basic data type, int, float, char, double; derived data type, array, pointer, structure, union; enumeration data type, enum; void data type, void. What is the difference between signed int and unsigned int? Signed int type variable can store both positive and negative values, where unsigned int type variable can only store positive values. Can I use int data type to store the value 32768? No. Actually, int data type is capable of storing values from minus 32768 to 327 positive 32767. To store, you can use long int. You can also use unsigned int. So, int data type to store the value 32768 not. When we store the value 32768 or more, then we use unsigned int. Next, why we use void keyword before main? Void is a data type. We can use any data type before main. The data types are used to denote return type of main function. If we are using void, then it gives instruction to compiler that main function will not return any value. What is format specifier? The format specifier are used in C for input and output purposes. Format specifier tells the compiler what type of data is in a variable during taking input using scanf or printf using sprintf. Some format specifier are data type, int specifier %d, float data type specifier %f, char data type specifier %c. What is the difference between int, float, char, double data types? Int, float, char and double data types. What is the difference between int, float, char, double data types? Int, integer data type, allows the variable to store numeric value. Float data type allow variable to store decimal values. It has a precision of 6 decimal places. Char data type allow a variable to store only one character. Double data type is also same as float data type. It has precision of 50 decimal places. Int, the storage size of int data types is 2 byte. Float, the storage size of float data types is 4 byte. Char, the storage size of char data types is 1 byte. Double, the storage size of double data types in 8 byte. Next, what is the use of size of function? Size of function is used to find the memory space allocated for each data type in C. So, this is the discussion about C language, very important questions and answers. Thank you very much for watching this video and please like, share and subscribe.